Okay, so let's see if it really is 6 inches. Oh, it's exactly 6 inches. And we'll watch. See? 1 inch. Yes, I'll fill the mini one up. This one takes a lot of crap load of fluid. So I'll fill this one. Then I'll fill up the mini one. It's pretty much just like a real zippo. Except when you open it up. So it just pops out. Focus. Alright, it's not focusing, but as you can see, it's pretty. I'll just fill it up. All it needs is a tiny drop. Let it. Oh, I got a little on my finger. Alright, that's all it needs. You will get lighter fluid on your hand a couple times. Alright, just close the tip. Well, I need to wipe off my hands, so that's gonna close the lighter fluid. See? Pretty big. I don't like lighting that one up here. Alright. My dad got this from Barcelona. Ooh, you can see the reflection of the camera. I want to see if you can see me. Yay! Ooh. Alright. And this one has quite a bit of a reflection, but you can't see me now. I don't think. Yeah. Alright. So there's a flame for it. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it's pretty cool. I got it. I filled up. Pretty big flame. Oh crap. Sometimes you'll have to blow it out because this won't do it on its own because it's not airtight. Not airtight. Where's my other lighter? Found it. Let me go turn off the lights. That didn't really do much, but it's pretty damn bright. That's why I love this lighter. Alright, so peace. Before you go, I just wanted to say one thing. See this lighter? My big zippo. Wait, let me just the whole thing. This is the box it came in. I got it. Keychains4you.com. I'll put a link in the description, okay? So it just fits right snug in.